Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan with the Swing Trade Pros team here. Thank you guys for joining me this evening. Make sure you guys hit that like, that bell, that sub if you like all the content I've been putting out for you guys. I just wanted to do the weekly recap here on Bitcoin. Our weekly candle here closes in about 3 minutes. So if you guys don't know already, we have the support resistance lines up here as we had covered in the previous video, and the STP trend indicator. You could also see here we are currently obviously in an overall uptrend, right? We're holding on to this trend line here as support. Obviously, guys, also make sure, let me know if my music is a little too loud. Yeah, so the STP trend indicator looks like we're coming to this line here to test on the weekly. If we end up falling below this line, obviously the trend will change. If you go to Heiken Ashi candles, where actually the trend is going as low as 6,200 for the uptrend, okay? And as you can see right now, if we go to the daily charts, you know, we're putting in a nice green candle right now. We are getting, however, rejected by the 20 EMA right around the 8,300 area. I think we hit 83.18, touched it, and are wicking off here pretty hard. Okay. I mean, the daily obviously looks like a nice bullish engulfing candle, but the Heiken Ashi candles are showing a little bit of a different story here. Yeah, so that's just the brief of what's happening here on Bitcoin. So it looks like we kind of poked out of this descending triangle. I mean, a lot of people are just calling this a channel and not a descending channel or descending triangle. We could maybe look at it that way also, that we are just in, you know, just a regular channel, right? Or we're just trading in a range right now. So, yeah, make sure you guys check out our Discord channel if you guys haven't done so already. I post live updates in there. And this past week I nailed a bunch of nice calls for you guys. The SPY call is at 297, 298 SPY calls on Monday. I posted that trade setup. Let me just get that up for you guys real quick. Hey guys in chat, let me know if my music is too loud, okay? Yeah, so I'm just gonna pull up some of the trade setups that I did this past week for you guys. For all of you guys that are new to the stream here and don't really understand, you know, what I do here for Swing Trade Pros, if you go to the STP Discord channel, you go down to stocks. I post the pre-market information, okay? I called the Coca-Cola, nice little pump on that for option calls. BNGO had a nice big run up. I think it opened at like $1.80 and ran up to like $3.90. Okay. Again, I had the SPY calls on Monday. Let me go back to that. Just find that real quick here. Oh, the OSTK trade also. Here's the OSTK trade. We got around a 5 or 6% gain on. AMD last week's stream I covered. I know a couple of you guys took that trade. Congratulations to you guys that did. Trying to find my SPY call here. I also, the marijuana stocks, Cron and ACB had nice moves. Okay. Okay, so the SPY call that I made was a pretty significant one, I believe. This is AMD. anyways, yeah, we were posting like 300 or 400% gains on the SPY option calls this past week. So make sure you guys check that out if you haven't done so already. And if you guys enjoy my streams here, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that bell, that sub. Make sure you guys stay in contact here on the YouTube channel. Trying to help build this up for you guys and get you guys some good content in. Okay. I had a couple cryptos I wanted to cover. I don't know if you guys see this down here. This is the SCP volume momentum indicator. I will be doing a static video sometime this week about how to utilize this. And obviously I'm going to briefly show you guys how to utilize this right now when looking at this Monetha Bitcoin chart, okay? If we go to a daily, we go to the Heiken Ashi candles, you can see that we're building, we're starting to build negative momentum again here, but the price action isn't really, I mean, there really isn't that much going on with this particular crypto, but I was asked to look at it, so I'm going to look at it here. All right. This thing is in a massive downtrend. But yeah, let's take a look at it real quick. So it looks like a massive like descending, or you could even call this a falling wedge pattern. It looks like it's getting ready to make a move. Okay. It's coming to the edge here of this structure. Yes, Caleb, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Tell all your friends to watch the streams, man. I get some good stock tips and some good crypto tips. Anyways, here we go, guys. So this channel that Monetha is in, okay, is a pretty big channel. We're looking at like a 500% move once this thing does break out and continues its way up. Now, I briefly explained to you guys how to use the fib retracement tool. Now, if you're in a downtrend, what you want to do is you want to get it from your previous most discernible swing high of the pattern, okay? And I'm going to use this area right here, back from April of 2018 to do my fib, okay? So we're gonna find the top of the wick here, and we're gonna try to find the bottom of this channel, all right? So that would be like right around here, right around the bottom here, okay? Now, typically in bear trends, what happens is, like as you guys can see, these wicks are just touching these, these fib levels, right? They're wicked off and then just dumped, right? So, we could get this move where it comes out, basically test this area, okay? That's a real potential move here for this coin. However, guys, do be careful with these coins. This coin is definitely a low volume coin. It is on Binance, however, that's why I chose to look at it. But this definitely could be something to look at, okay? Look for, okay? Maybe try to dollar cost average yourself into a position. Maybe just take a small trade on it. I mean, this is not financial advice, but something to look at for sure. Okay. Oh yeah, I had this call with SES earlier this week. Made a nice double top, right? I called a double top on that. So we got a nice move here from, I think it was around $7.65 and hit around $10.75 and then dumped, right? So you could have sold right around here, right around this $9 area if you entered around $7.60. I think Caleb, you definitely took that trade or something, right? Yeah, so this is definitely another stock that that I'm gonna call on, and we are producing negative momentum again, guys. What happens when we produce negative momentum, right? We're gonna be slowly getting that bullish divergence happening. This is on a 15-minute chart. So if we go to an hourly, you can kind of see what's happening, right? We've kind of on the RSI, we've kind of made some divergence here. That played out a little bit. We just didn't get over the 20 EMA. Kind of rejected it, and now we're just trading a little bit below it. So this could be another area of value potentially on this stock. Okay, I would definitely look to see what happens on the open here. We did get a 4-hour candle close. Well, it didn't quite engulf this previous one, but if it double bottoms, that could be an area of value. Okay, guys. So, you know, we get that double bottom action. You know, we're definitely looking to make a move back up, right? At least a 50% move. So keep that one on your watch list, okay, guys? This one's down 18% on the day on Friday, all right? SES, all right? And well, let's just cover the SPY real quick here. And everyone wants to know what's happening in the stock market, so definitely want to know what's happening, right? So the 4-hour candle did not close below the 20 EMA. We are just holding right above it. We're holding some brief. We're holding on to some brief positive momentum. The RSI is trending upwards. Okay, this could be a bounce area. I guess we'll just have to see how it opens. But if we were to draw this out, okay, obviously we have our neckline right around this 302 area. Where the resistances are. Okay, you guys can see that pretty clearly here. All right, and obviously we do have some support around this area, this 294 area where this previous breakout was from, where we used it as support to kind of catalyze this move to the upside. All right. And so basically what I'm seeing here is maybe like an inverse head and shoulders pattern or double bottom pattern that we've almost completed, right? Well, not quite at all, like around 3.85%. If we hold above this area where we're currently at, and we do break above, we're looking at around a 3.85% move to the upside. Okay, that's the measured move of this pattern, guys. Yes, guys, the STP 3 commas indicator. I want to show you guys that real quick. We are on the marketplace here. Okay, you guys can subscribe for free. I think we're running a 2-week free trial, or we might even increase it. We haven't finalized that yet, but for now, you guys can definitely get our signals for free here on the 3 commas marketplace. Okay, you know, we're posting gains on like every single trade, so no problem, Caleb. You have a great night, man. Appreciate it. So yeah, guys, just check out the 3 commas link in the description below. We have a free trial happening right now with the Swing Trade Pros indicator here, and bots, not indicator, just bots. But it will come with obviously our indicator. You can choose it. So back to the S&P real quick. Where was I on that? Okay, yeah. So I think around a 3.85% move after we get a little bit of a retracement, I think. Let's just say this was our, let's go to the daily actually. Yeah, so the daily, we're just starting to create positive momentum on the daily. Kind of looks like we're going to back test this area and see if we can hold it as support. We didn't get a daily buy signal yet, okay? Just keep that in mind. We have not got a daily buy signal yet. That is obviously a very strong signal once we do get it. Maybe I'm just on the wrong multiplier here. We did get a daily buy signal on the range multiplier of 3, okay? So this is definitely still an area of value, right? We're still below the neckline, but above resistance area or above support areas here. We're kind of in the middle, all right? So I would definitely look out for that. Obviously, we do have this divergence that's going to play out here, right? This should play out nicely. We should get that nice little move to the upside, right? And in other news, or what else did I have here to cover? Oh yeah, the Bank of America trade setup that I had posted. They had earnings the other day. All right, and they had a nice move to the upside here. I think I suggested the $30 calls on the day before here. And yeah, I mean, the $30 and $31 calls were like definitely a 40 to 80% gainer on that day. So definitely keep your eyes peeled in that stock area. I'm going to be posting trade setups and watch list items. Okay. Let's go back to Bitcoin for a second. It looks like it's making a little bit of a move. We definitely just closed the daily and the weekly. So let's check out the weekly and how it's looking. Obviously, this kind of squared up here on the weekly. Hey, Crypto Soldier, how are you, sir? Hey, make sure you guys hit that like button, all right? Appreciate all that. So we're definitely, like I said, we're definitely range bound right now. We're stuck between these two, these areas right now. We're just kind of trading in between them, and so far we haven't really seen the drop that everyone was like, oh, we're gonna drop down to the $6,500 area. So far we haven't seen that. Let's look at our oscillators though. Okay, we are still building negative momentum, although we're getting some positive price action right now, which is, you know, kind of bullish actually. Okay, I mean, we're not seeing a terrible amount of a positive price action, but we are just trading in this $8,000 range, 7,800 to 8,500 range. Okay, definitely a tight range. A lot of people are calling for a big dump. I'm not really seeing that just yet. Okay, actually, our daily is actually looking to create some positive momentum now. We are getting some bullish divergence back from July. Okay, we haven't seen this type of divergence since July. I mean, we did have this little divergence here that played out a little bit. We had a little bit move to the upside here. We are going to get some here, and we will see how that divergence plays out. Okay, so this could potentially be a big move because look at the size of this negative momentum versus this area here that we had. Okay. But definitely check out our Swing Trade Pros indicators if you guys haven't done so already. Those are in the description below. Make sure you guys check out our Discord channel to try out the indicators for free for a 7-day free trial. All you guys got to do is go to the Discord channel, go to STP Trials, and type in $invite and then your TradingView username. Okay, and then you'll be granted access for 1 week for the buy and sell signals. Okay. And I think we had a couple other cryptos that I wanted to cover. I wanted to cover ZRX. That was a big mover this week. So let's pull that up real quick. Yeah, ZRX just breaking out of a wedge, big wedge here. Okay. Huge wedge pattern, right? So this is definitely going to be a big move, alright, guys. We're talking about a 645% measured move out of this channel that it's in. Alright. So now it's out. It's officially out. So 645% puts it like right around that $1.90 area, okay? And yeah, I'll definitely cover Chainlink here in a second, Soldier. If we were to just do our fibs, right? We just passed the 236, putting in a local swing low, okay? Take profit areas are, let me put the support resistance levels on. Yeah, so you can see that it's confluent with around the 61.8% retrace area. That means we're definitely going to get a retrace there, okay, on the daily. Metrics. Yeah. Alright, hang on a second, what was I doing? Oh yeah. So yeah, obviously on the daily here we have some resistance here at the 35 and 37 cent areas. Alright, but I think if Bitcoin's just consolidating and kind of just trading in this range, that these altcoins for sure can gain on Bitcoin, no problem, okay? So just keep your eyes peeled for that. We definitely got the daily buy signal that came in on ZRX on October 9th. Alright, I expect this thing to run at least to these areas, okay? Alright, I'm going to cover Chainlink real quick as suggested here. Chainlink is in a huge bull flag pattern. Obviously we can see that here. There is no real downside action aside from this little downslope consolidation we had. It's put in a lower high here, which isn't good. However, you could see that on the RSI we are trying to trend back up, okay? This bullish divergence definitely played out. We got this big, powerful move to the upside here, hitting around almost the measured move of that wedge, which was around $3.30. We hit right around $3. Okay, we didn't hit the whole move, but never always do, guys. Remember that when there's patterns that play out, they're not always going to hit the entire measured move, all right? So Chainlink right now, we have the daily buy signal that's in. Okay, it came in on October 3rd when we broke out of this wedge, and looks like we're trying to actually break back out again. All right, we had some nice little downsloping consolidation again. If we were to take a measured move of this, okay, this pattern looks definitely a smaller pattern, obviously a little bit of a continuation pattern. Also another wedge, okay. But this is probably going to get us to that $3.30 area, right, of the other pattern, right? So we're looking at around a 17% move, okay, which would put us, what do you know, would put us right around that. Well, I guess not. It's going to put us right around that 280 mark, okay. This move. Hope that helps, Crypto Soldier. Metrics. I don't even think I can look at metrics. It's not even on TradingView. Alright. Hey, make sure you guys hit that like, that bell, and that sub if you guys like my content and what I do for you guys here. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys check out our Discord channel and check out the different channels that we have posted in, the stock channel, options channel. If you guys are obviously a client, then the client chat. I think there was one more thing I wanted to cover here. Oh yes, the PDF for the bot. If you guys still need that or want that, definitely message STP Todd or myself or any of the STP team members. Obviously, we can all help you with that. If there was any other questions you guys had or comments or anything like that, or any other stocks you guys wanted me to cover real quick, just let me know. I'm going to probably just do another quick 10 minutes on the stream tonight, and then wish everybody a happy week, all right? So hang on just 1 second here. I think I had a couple different requests here, one for JNUG and one for gold. So just hang on 1 second here. So there were a couple other stocks I also wanted to look at too. So I had GLAC. This one was, I believe, just oversold and is about to have a huge move to the upside. Okay, yeah, as you can see. It's already happening, actually. On the daily, it had a 47% move. It's just now creating positive momentum on the hourly. This is obviously definitely a newer stock. Okay. I'd see how this thing opens tomorrow before actually taking any trades on it. It looks like it's a low volume stock. Okay. ATIS. This one also had another big move, and it looks like it's kind of holding on to that positive momentum. So maybe there could be a little setup on that. Yep, we have price action reversing right at the fib extension 382 level here, right on support. Okay, so this could be an area. This could be an area of value to catch a nice bounce to the upside or a continuation pattern. Okay. And So JNUG, 1 sec, JNUG on that. All right, JNUG. Let's look at a daily real quick. We can fib, right? We can fib from our swing low to our swing high to see where price action could reverse. We're right out of the 50% retrace area. This could be an area of value to see a price action reversal on JNUG. You can obviously clearly see that we are in a downsloping consolidation pattern, and we can call this a falling wedge for sure. We are coming close to a squeeze, right? So I'm being told the music is not loud at all, so let me turn it up a little bit. All right, let's go to the hourly. We have our hourly buy signal that's in, and actually we're looking like we're about to break out of this channel, okay guys? So So JNUG looks like a real opportunity here. We're about to break out of this channel, as you guys can see. If we go to the hourly chart, you could kind of see that the 4 hour looks to be building some nice bullish divergence here, okay? So this is actually looking very, very good. We don't have a 4 hour buy signal in yet. Let me know if my music is too loud. Crypto Soldier, I kind of covered it already. Sorry about that. You'll just have to scroll back through my stream. Yeah, so JNUG looks really good. Sorry about the pause there. I just want to make sure my music is not too loud. So this measured move, okay, let me just redraw this. This looks a little sloppy. Okay. Okay, so basically this, right? We're basically looking at this as our move, 62%. Once we break out of this wedge, okay? I mean, we haven't got a confirmed buy signal just yet, all right? But to me, this looks pretty good. I mean, although we could just keep on you know, contracting on price, but definitely looks like an area of value for sure. Okay, we get that bullish divergence happening here. And so there's your JNUG, all right? Good evening, Joe. Good evening. Good evening. So I'm gonna look at sure. Yeah, so we have some more information here that we want to show you guys. That STP Todd here has definitely doubled his balance since September 8th, okay, using our 3 commas bots. I don't know, it's not really that clear, but if you guys can see this, he's doubled his balance since September 4th. Okay, that's pretty amazing stuff. Now you guys can all do the same. You guys can actually utilize our 3 commas bots right now for free. We're running this promotion right now on the marketplace here. As you guys can see, we have all green trades here. You know, we have sometimes someone maybe using a stop loss or something. By the way, guys, this is our scalper bot. We don't recommend using a stop loss. Although obviously always trade at your own risk. You know, we're just We've been testing this for months, and it's been, look, we're looking at all green here, like 28 pages of all green, 30 pages. So yeah, make sure you guys check it out. All right. If you guys have any last questions here, let me know. Oh yeah, the Swing Trade Pros hoodie here, guys. We will be putting these on sale soon, okay? Thank you guys for joining the stream tonight. I appreciate all you guys joining. Make sure you guys hit that like, that bell, that sub if you like what I'm doing here. And we'll catch you guys in the next weekly candle close next week, okay? For now, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful evening and a wonderful week.